Little monster's been eating too fast, I think you got the hiccups. Maybe a little monster. You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups. And pull the ears back and you get an instant facelift, look. So, you don't want me doing that, do you? Was it the car that made you jump? Is it? Instant facelift. Oh yeah. Come here, baby girl. Yeah. Instant facelift. No? You don't like it? Oh, sorry, baby girl. Oh. You've been eating too fast. You got hiccups. You got hiccups? You want to get down? Yeah. Put that cushion there, then you can get down then, can't you?
No. Here.
There we go.
Will you stay with me?
Ooh, big jump. Well done. Can you manage to knock that table out the way now? I shocked you. Probably searching for more food. You got food there, Mrs. Missy?
I can hear the lights.
You got food there? You've got food there, baby girl. Where are you off to? I better pause this film. Pet Cemetery, 2019. What are you looking for? There's no rubbish out there. Check there's no rubbish out there, is there? Any rubbish? No, your jumper's on the stairs.
Yeah.
Lee's jumper. No rubbish, no. Baby girl, what are you doing? And hide. I can't see you. I can see you. I can't see you.
Look at my feet, Owl.
I've got one, thanks, Lee. I can see you. And I can't see you. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shame Sarah.
Can see you. And I can't see you. It's a bit of a stupid game, isn't it? I don't know, Lee. No idea. Little baby girl. Little baby girl.
Just swung out of nowhere, didn't she?
Taking her back tomorrow, Wednesday. To mine. And I'm looking at a one bedroom property in Worcester with home swapper. Probably on the weekend. Where's she gone? She's exploring further. Ain't you, baby girl? Yeah. Okay, that's all, folks.